In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up double opt-in in GetResponse. Now, if you're not familiar with double opt-in, it's a method used to ensure that your subscribers really want to receive your emails. After someone signs up for your newsletter or mailing list, they'll receive an email asking them to confirm their subscription. This step prevents fake signups and helps you maintain a clean and engaged email list. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log in to your GetResponse account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to the GetResponse website and sign up. It's a straightforward process, and they often have great offers if you're a new user. Once you're logged in, look for the Lists tab in the top menu. This is where you manage your email lists. Remember, double opt-in is connected to the list you create, so if you haven't set up a list yet, you may want to do that first. Click on Create List if that's the case, and follow the prompts to get your list set up. Now let's say you already have your list ready. Click on the list you want to enable double opt-in for. Once you've selected your list, look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of different settings available to you. Now, here comes the important part, enabling double opt-in. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Confirmation Message. This is where we set up the double opt-in process. You should see an option for Require Confirmation for Subscribers. Go ahead and toggle this option on. This ensures that anyone who signs up for your list will receive a confirmation email. After enabling that feature, you can customize your confirmation message. GetResponse allows you to edit the subject line and the content of the email that your subscribers will receive. So take a moment to think about what you want to say in this email. A warm welcome message outlining what they can expect from you can help create a good first impression. When you're happy with your confirmation message, save your changes. It's crucial to remember that once you enable double opt-in, every new subscriber will need to confirm their intent to join your list. This might make your list grow a bit slower at first, but trust me, it will be much healthier in the long run since your audience will be more engaged. Next, let's talk about the success page. After your subscribers confirm their subscription, you'll want them to be directed to a success page. This page should thank them for subscribing, and you might even want to include a special offer or useful resources to get them started with your content. To set this up, look for the Thank You page section in your settings. Here, you can either create a custom thank you page or redirect them to a page on your website. Once all of that is set up, it's a good idea to test your double opt-in process to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can do this by signing up with a test email address. Once you receive the confirmation email, click the link to confirm your subscription. Make sure the confirmation message is clear and that the thank you page works as you've set it up. Keep in mind that building your email list effectively takes time. Double opt-in is just one strategy for maintaining a healthy and engaged subscriber base. Remember to monitor your list regularly and GetResponse to track engagement metrics, and don't hesitate to adjust your messaging if needed based on feedback or the analytics you gather. And there you have it. You've successfully set up double opt-in in GetResponse. This is a great step towards creating a more reliable and engaged community around